Vice President, inenula date Museveni tiki is the president, and Vice President daho. Then we need a female artist beside Laxi. Laxi date Todwong Tampin. What leaves artists to go to the no? Because of this confusion. But we love NRM. We love the president. But they are going to end up pushing us away. Ento Nutella any Babi Luaro Ngakmo Laxi Batman Solo and Babi Luaro Dano. Won't me ube transparent. Ube open. Aneno cho luwe macho raising complaint la dito duongo luongi. Mo luongi gin mado chero chuero chwinya aneno wanyako mo wacheli. Gin oni oguru chwinya sidong awai ni don't get tamo ngoi kumluwe mamon owe ana ya anbakar wa pian ki neno NRM League women inono montie ineno kama daho ti ye kwo bero manoi no kwo bero mayum pian wan be watiki adam wane luye dikal wane joma yubu dikal so an message na chero bot President Museveni message na chero bot Ladito Duong Babawa an ka bi kon foi ngoma initi timune ilwe kero la nyut mabe irilwa ni in chanu la tela miri madano miri tingat money ko iket ka money a fui dog lu ba metikum ento na dit one megi luwe mamon eni tamo ngoi komwa wane luwe dikal kala dit loboti bino wane lu karitu keno wane lu kelpi amara Chidong inde tam ngoi kum one way. Pretty Beauty Kenyu, Sherry Princess Kenyu, Maria Eti Kenyu, Jenna Priska, yes, and Benedict Kenyu, because Pole, Jenna Priska, yeah, and no opportunity, which is good. I'm happy for that. But at least we pulling while we mukene ni money. You made one any ikum Jenna Priska. Obibero mabera dida. Ana foi la mera Jenna Priska, thanks for working hard. Ento wipo will chunkirati chunkere down chia boriba chunkirati chunkere waneni were pulling the female league, were pulling the female artist of Northern Uganda. Chiwa bichero kamabo. Anlo kamerepe ento la dit to duong tampimon wana ye luywe di kalba.
Now structure palwe utie organize iyo manining pian ka president bino kirene numero information o bot wundu we so ti yo mama no information yo mobilization ki kamerlo we bino pa president
actually ki neno eni pabi mo be pabi luaro ngat mo ken luwe wutiki character me yeke pieni en la rema piti yukumono eni wati campaigning for the dit lobo miru dano madwong en ngat mai we oni ebe la bolkui. It's not, we are not part of just we are going to perform, but one ebe lu bolkui chi lok me yeke eno be peke lutua nano tin ketani Anne Maria abi chero noya abi tingu Pretty Beauty Sherry Princess Jenna Priska diri makaka dugu at chero ki Quincy at because you know when we have connection what bed ki connection pe wa kenwa wacham kilu worwa because the moment ruba onero ni yeni meru la woro bed mabe believe me mugati pobe ai dogi ento ka ini miri cham ki jomo na cheli ruba do kwanyo in do kilo la tela mukende chi wacham unu kara chel lock any what organization there is UMA, there is Gamma, there is Walk in Northern Uganda ento lutela any Babi luaro ngakmo Laxi Batman Solo and Babi luaro dano won me ube transparent ube open ka wonu uchero charo la wo mara to dongo lu no me luang luwe ni gen kuman obibino don watem ni because idea ka utima duong ma utiki idea believe me good work will be there ento pole pera mo watikere ni luwe mo kene ko winyi lok mo ni kichero ki lingo o weko jomo kene dongi ruenyo chalo romo mo ruenyo oye mando wan wachung kwene kachung wati kwene. That's where the problem is. Ento one luwe we have a unit, we love each other ineno one wabero karachero wa mare ento lok melia ki Gemini pibe. Let's be transparent.
Now you pen itima kimi gwa ki association mo keje itimera ga gwele luwe o randomly ki kamo ke kan keje ti association mo ma yupo bino tika kemo gena tete
ena ye don ko wati kenyu chalo one any female artist pole gi wero wow be pu angeyo gina ngo matite me eto wangeyo ni la dit logo ti bino so
America choka achiel ma do diro papate anara maberiye chigi wajo ni in northern Uganda actually ngad mo bidor lokum luwe lagzi malokan wa ke bod Medina man dor lokalim papati NRM now kai nano lagzi ulu nyingulu woni lagzi ni dogo we wai komo album launch you were album launch
yes
malo we chere munyonyo
yes
and nyurube kama leng ni influence ma edikenzo ti kwere kadongi waje ni en lagzi yan merodo ki actually nyuruni anti president Pagama Greater Chuli Musicians
Vice
Association
President Mirobed Madaho Vice President inanula date Museveni tiki is the president and Vice President Daho. Then we need a female artist beside Lagzi Aluenkidi ini paying at marriage but work with female artists when you're president Vice President Mirobeto
so la penderuti ni initi idul megama ne ichoane bana
an giratie na nati kenyo yes and girati advisor cha mukere bena miyo giretam yeah but I'm a member yeah I'm a member so anati member I work anati member igama bene but I'm not a member I want to get this and this but I'm a member because I want the right thing to be done. I'm a member because I have to stand for female artists, Minister of Gender, Iron Lady, Maria A. I don't want nonsense. I love the truth and I don't want corruption. For me, I want you guys to work together. So, no solo wabero. Yeah, I talk to him. I tell my brother something. We here. Apeati. Laxi benecha mkena gone wachima. Why laxi? Kumani temo kuma. Yeah.
Now, keli we la penya chel ma anayano boss mcjuice timu kate wajo and look malo we tika loge matak madani. Chi boss mcwani president ya biono lo we be benefiting and to inikayo kama inichoyo yeah.
Yes.
Pian one yang ni luwe okana tie ma gitie te party mukana tie no by the way
yeah.
So any no way twere gwa mukana no hunu kana tawe ni sideline hunu ni kwa kunyango
we chere no ba what leaves artists to go to the no because of this confusion but we love NRM we love the president but they are going to end up pushing us away you understand they will push us away because guys, they need to show us love. They need to show us that they love our industry. They love our northern Uganda. You understand? Because last time we were campaigning with this Odong of Romeo. But nothing. We have never got anything. We moved Noya. We moved to Omoro. We moved to Coach. We moved a lot of places. Even I got an accident. You see, I got an accident here. Then Morka, Mati, Karmorko, Ngolakan. Akaro Kirem, but I've never benefited anything. Odong Romeo, you're my witness. We have never benefited anything. So my message goes to Todwong and His Excellency. We love you so much, but think about us.
Now approach ngo mai noni Todwong umero ti kwede work ko winye. Doc lo way of benefiting equally, mano da berupe.
Look, man, abi wajo ka kenyo nini la dito duong. Luong lu way yo wing. Come on, ibet kid go wing. Where warwe lu way yo wing. I win koko any, then you're going to solve the issue. Pia no lu way wing tie. Not ma po bino no ero bi koko ne. And that's the thing, Bene. Manono, President Museveni nomero tim irwa kiro tim kido Jome Central. Luongo gi Oweny. So kiluongo wa Oweny, wa wek dok no ngati kono dong kitero kwe oko ngati wabet kara chiel no wabi an wa winyu ki irwa ngoma mirwa tim. Man negana en chalo an female artist. We kuku bet beke.
Now, kete dong je motimero ne weng dong peo tuere president bino timo campaign ne uchero maguno kene pedo no opportunity me benefiting chalo luwe okene ne ngomo bitebere
wabi bero mot an gira kuimo ma bi mi danu pe loko be mapaluoro but ka ubinu gira uyomo iwa yom chuny ayo joga la dit one wabi bolle mo ngala dito karo NRM oye kape wan wabero mor kumanda loken endo ke ger adao NRM League Montier Mirkiti ki mon bene unen megi we wan be wabetie loka endo ke ger ana foyo Aluo TV Africa afoyo te kwa foyo wunyuko wa an pa bi loko madong amaru. I love my President Museveni. We love you so much. Dadito dong wa mari bene ento ki yom iwa ba. Yom iwa.